Hey folks, it's Samantha with Herbivore Education. I'm so excited to show you how I cleanse my skin with the Pink Cloud Rose Water and Tremella Creamy Jelly Cleanser. This dreamy pH balance formula effectively cleanses, hydrates, and preps your skin so that the rest of your skincare works better. Formulated without sulfates or synthetics, Pink Cloud Cleanser is the essential first step to your skincare ritual. So what is Tremella anyway? It's a superfood mushroom that holds 500 times its weight in water, making it a hydration and humectant powerhouse. To use, I like to pump 1 to 2 times into wet palms, add water, and then lather until I get a light foam. Then I massage onto wet skin for 30 to 60 seconds, rinse off, and pat dry. Not only does rose hydrosol hydrate and soothe skin, it provides a naturally light rose scent. So get pretty in pink, and thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me.